Hello everyone, I'm Buck WSR Weezer collaborating once again with Fix This House. In a video we did recently, we showed you how to install a new shower head using this Glacier Bay handheld shower head from Home Depot. But as you might recall, because our shower ceiling is so low, we really don't have a lot of room. You know, this is a flexible connector, but we really don't have much space for it to move. So you're essentially just getting a straight down effect. So what we wanted to do is extend this, the pipe coming out of the wall a little bit so that we have a little more room to play with the angle of the shower head. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. We're going to first take this guy down, which is very simple. Feel free to check out that other video if it helps you know how to install this. And then this guy just unscrews right off of the shower. All right, so our washer's still up there in place. That's okay. He came out of there. We'll just leave him there. All right, so what I plan to do is I went to the Home Depot and picked up this chrome-plated nipple, 1/2 inch by 3 inches, and a plastic PVC threaded connector. I would have liked to have been able to find a chrome-plated connector, but this was the best I could do. So I'm going to put some Teflon tape on each end of this 3-inch nipple.
Wrapping it either way, doesn't matter. Clockwise or counterclockwise.
It does matter, and I always do it wrong the first time, and now you got me wondering if I'm doing it wrong.
In your
So we were coming up this way, and which way do we go before? We went clockwise. So I think I'm doing this right.
Clockwise?
Well, depends on your orientation.
I have problems with stuff like that.
So just a couple wraps there. Same deal on this end. All right.
Good.
All right. And now we will put it up in place, and if necessary, we'll use this small pair of channel locks. So actually I had to take this off because this has to go up to the, I got to get that guy out of there. That has to go.
There we go. Pry it out. That's good.
All right, so we'll put him back in where he was.
All set?
All right, so he's back in here. Okay. Our coupling, threaded coupling. Little extension piece. All right. Tighten that a little bit. All right, so that's giving us about 4 inches more of play. All right, this guy goes back on. All right, reconnect our hose. All right, so now we get just a little bit more room to play around with that shower head. All right. And I think we're good to go. Let's test it out. All right. It's coming out of the right place.
A little bit more central.
And not the wrong place. All right, we just have a little more play here. Not a lot, but a little bit.
Yeah, good.
So in our case, you can't be too tall of an individual to use this shower. But that's the way it is. All right, so a little adaptation. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.